Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Appen review real or a waste of your time. So first things first, in order for you to have access to this, then you should go to Appen and then create or sign in if you have an account. So it's very easy. Now what is this Appen I'm talking about? Okay, so Appen is a well-known platform that connects freelancers with a variety of micro tasks and longer-term projects, particularly in areas like data annotation, transcription, translation, and artificial intelligence training. Here you will see why choose Appen. So first, expertise. Second is they have the scale of their services. Then they have this quality, and you can read more information about that. Flexibility and innovation. Now let's talk about, is Appen real or a waste of time? First, let's look on the pros of using or working with Appen. So, legitimacy. Appen is a legitimate company and has been in business for many years. So, it partners with big tech companies to provide AI and machine learning services. When it comes to variety of projects, Appen offers a wide range of tasks from short-term micro tasks. When it comes to flexible work, one of the key benefits is flexibility. You can work from anywhere and often on your own schedule, making it a good fit for people looking for side income, students, or stay-at-home parents. Reliable payments. So payments are typically made through Payoneer or direct deposit and are usually reliable, though some users report delays depending on the project and payment system. Let's talk about the cons. So, cons of Appen, low pay. For many of the micro tasks, the pay can be quite low. Task availability. One major complaint from users is that task availability can be inconsistent. Three, complex application process. Appen's application process for longer term projects can be time consuming and complex. Feedback and support. Some users have expressed frustration with a lack of clear feedback on their work. So, what is the final verdict? Is it a waste of time? So, Appen is legitimate and can provide some extra income, but if talking about waste of time, it depends on your goals. If you're looking for high paying work or something full time, Appen may feel like a waste of time due to the low rates and fluctuating task availability. So, if we talk about user experience insights, some users report positive experiences with Appen, appreciating the chance to work from home and learn new skills. So that's it. And actually, others, however, express disappointment with the inconsistently availability of tasks and the slow or unclear feedback. If you want to see more, then you can go to Reddit and look for more information about this Appen. So in short, if you talk about, is it waste of time? Again, it depends on your goal. It depends on the inconsistency of the work. But if it's legit, yes, it is for people who get some salary from working in Appen. So I hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.